I used to regularly post on my different social media platforms to engage with my audience regularly. But now thinking of the content and posting it regularly was a very time consuming task. So in that case, I have built a simple automation that automatically generates the content with the help of an AI and posts that content on my different social media platforms at a specific time without any manual work. Yes, here on my screen you can see this amazing automation that I've created for automating my task of creating content and posting it on different social media platforms. And in this tutorial we are going to learn step by step that how you can set up this automation for yourself as well by using this amazing automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So here to access the Pabbly Connect you need to search for pabbly.com/connect in your browsers and it will take you to the homepage of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see two options. One is sign in and the other one is sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if an existing user like me, then simply sign in. And here if you're a new user and you are planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then I have got a special discount code just for you. By using this code, you can get an amazing discount while making a purchase for your Pabbly subscription. I have already automated my entire business, that too for lifetime, because currently they are offering the lifetime deal at a very cost effective price. So go and get yours now. Alright, now after signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. From here, you need to access Pabbly Connect by clicking on the access now. And it will take you to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. So now here to build a new connection, I need to create a workflow first. So for that, we're going to click on this create workflow button. Then here it is asking for the workflow builder. So you can see two options. One is new beta and the other one is classic. Beta version is modern, fast and more flexible, whereas classic one is stable and the familiar approach. So in this video, we are going to use this beta version by clicking on the select button and then a create workflow dialog box appeared in front of us. So I'm going to give a name to my workflow that says AI automation for content creation and posting. Then for the folder, we're going to click on this drop down menu and here you can see the multiple folders that I have with different names. So in this case, we are going to select our folder as automations. You can create and select a task by your requirement. And now here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this create button given over here. Now here in this workflow window, you can see we have successfully created a workflow, and here let me tell you that there are two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So as you know that I want this automation to run almost every day at a specific time. So now here to make it possible, we are going to use a feature of Pabbly that is scheduled by Pabbly. So by using schedule by Pabbly, I'm going to run this automation every day at a specific time. Here we are going to select the app event as schedule workflow. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here it is asking how often you want to run your workflow. So you can see the options in the drop down that are at regular intervals, once, every day, days of the week or dates of the month. So as I've already mentioned that I'm going to run this workflow every day. So we're going to select it and then here we are going to select the time. I'm going to select my time as 12 p.m. and then we're going to click on this OK. After that, we're going to click on the save and here you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully scheduled this workflow for every day at a specific time, that is 12 p.m. Now here after setting up the trigger, what we are going to do is that we are going to generate the content for our social media platforms with the help of an AI tool. So I'm going to use my AI tool as OpenAI, but you can use it as Perplexity AI or Gemini as well. Alright, we are going to select the action application as OpenAI and our app event as ChatGPT. Then we're going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, we are going to select add a new connection. If your account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now here to build a new connection, it is asking for the API token. So here to get the token, we're going to click on this hyperlink available over here and it will direct you to the API keys window of your OpenAI account. Here I easily got directed because here I was already logged inside my OpenAI account in the same browser. Now from here, we are going to click on this create new secret key and here it is asking for the name and the project. So let's give name as test and the project as default project. Then we're going to create the secret key. So this is the API key. We are going to copy it and we are going to add it over here. Then we are going to click on the save, and you can see we're now successfully connected. So let's move forward. Here for the model, I'm going to select the model as GPT-5 from the drop down. You can select it as per your requirement. Then here it is asking for the prompt. So here in this prompt field, I need to add the relevant prompt that I want to give to AI for generating a proper post content for my social media post. So let me add the relevant prompt over here. Alright, here I've successfully added the prompt where I've added some instructions for the AI, and then you're going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have received a successful response where we have received a message content generated in which we have received the entire content generated by AI. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now after generating this content, I'm going to post this content on my Facebook page and my LinkedIn account as well. You can select other social media platforms as well. For now, I'm going to connect these. So we are going to add action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as Facebook pages. Then for the app event, we are going to select create page post, and then we're going to click on this connect. Here if you want, you can also generate an image for your social media content after this particular OpenAI action step using the another AI tool or the same AI tool as well. Alright, for now I'm not going to generate any media, so we're going to select add a new connection, and here we are going to click on this connect with Facebook pages. Here I'm going to select my desired account. Then we're going to click on this continue and give access to Pabbly as your data is secured with Pabbly. And you can see we are now successfully connected. So again, here I easily got connected because here I was already logged inside my Facebook account in the same browser. If you're building a new connection, then it might ask for your account credentials first. Alright, then here it is asking us to select the page. So here I'm going to select a random Facebook page of mine which is with the name Spark Success Coaching. Alright, so this is a random page. After that is asking for the message. So here I need to enter the message that I want to create as a new post on my Facebook page. So here instead of entering the message manually, here I'm going to map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I'm going to map the data from the response that is received in my trigger step or my previous action steps. Mapping makes it dynamic so that we're going to receive a new content through OpenAI, then automatically this previously existing detail will be updated with the new one. So here to map the message, we are going to enter a slash first, and then here we are going to map the message content generated by AI. So this is the message. Then here this link URL is not required field, so we're going to leave it blank. After adding the details, we are going to click on the save and send test request, and you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully created a new post on our Facebook page. So let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it, and you can see instantly a new post has been created with the same content generated by AI. So with this, we have successfully set up this action step as well. Now here after posting the content on Facebook page, I want to post the same content on the LinkedIn account as well. So for that, we are going to add another action step over here, and here I'm going to select my action application as LinkedIn. Then for the app event, we are going to select share simple text, and then we are going to click on this connect. Again, we are going to build a new connection, and we are going to click on this connect with LinkedIn. Here you can see it is asking for the account credentials. So my account credentials are already pre-filled over here. So we're going to click on the sign in, and here you can see we are now successfully connected. Now here after building this connection, it is asking us for the author. So here I have a single author, so I've selected that from the drop down. And again here for the content, I'm going to map the content generated by AI. So this is the content. Then for the visibility, I'm going to select public from the drop down. You can select it as per your requirement. And after adding the required details, we're going to click on the save and send test request. And you can see we have received a successful response. That means we have successfully posted the same content on our LinkedIn account as well. So let's go and check it. Here I'm going to refresh it. And you can see we have successfully posted a new content on our LinkedIn account, which is generated by AI only. So with this, we have successfully set up entire automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have selected our trigger as scheduled by Pabbly and our action as OpenAI, Facebook and LinkedIn. So that every day at a specific time, this automation is going to get triggered and it is going to generate the content for my social media platforms via AI tool, that is OpenAI. After generating the content, automatically it is going to post that content on my different social media platforms such as Facebook and LinkedIn. Alright, so these were the very simple steps of AI automation for content creation and posting. I hope these steps were clear to you. Now, if you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. And now, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automation tutorials. Also, if you're planning to buy Pabbly for your business automation, then don't forget to use my special discount code that is available in the description box below. Alright, that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.
Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, then you can write it at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit this URL. Now, if you liked our video, then please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.